few days ago, my dryer belt broke in my Frigidaire stackable washer dryer. This is what it looks like. Just Google image search. Here is the model number. So I took a picture of it inside the dryer door right there. And then I proceeded to go on to the internet and try and find the part number for the belt because I couldn't read it. So when I did a search for model number plus dryer belt, came up with these. I went to this site, gave me this part number, as well as another number that I searched for on Amazon, which is this number right here, which is similar to what I can see on the belt, but I can't quite read what's on the belt. It's definitely a 134, but it looks like a 1 out of 5. That just could be it's worn away. And it may be a 3600. Not sure, but it's close. I measured it, and it comes out around 89.5 inches. This one, however, is 87.75. So maybe it's stretched as it wore out. I found that could be a thing. Here's some more images of what the belt looked like. As you can see, this part right here looks a bit stretched. It is ripped there and there. It's almost 90 inches if I include this frayed portion. So this, removing that and that, it's about 89.5 inches long. I ultimately did purchase this belt, and it was only 87.75 inches. The width was fine. Length is a bit short. I got the part a day later, put it on, and it was pretty difficult to get it to go on there, even without the pulley in place. The belt was clearly not long enough for what it probably should have been. But I did get it on there, and this is what it ended up looking like as it's running. As you can see, this pulley is pushing on the belt, although it's not in the zigzag pattern that we can see on some of these other videos. Like this video right here, it shows the pulley pushing it all the way over, and the belt looks like about 3/4 of the drive touching the actual belt, whereas my belt is only touching about half of it. So basically, I'm thinking I'm not going to get enough friction on this, or it's not going to grab as much as it should, although it's tighter because it's a shorter belt. So I don't know. I'm not really sure what this pulley is pushing towards it. So if the belt does stretch, this pulley will slowly push towards this. It will probably eventually break. But that's my concern, is I don't know if there's enough of the belt touching the drive shaft here to get the appropriate amount of friction so it doesn't slip. The dryer does work, and it is spinning, and I don't hear it squeaking or anything, so maybe it's okay. Posting this video to get some feedback on what you think.